Earlier, we input the group and user to verify the user membership within the group. But what if I want to find all the group user is member of? To obtain all the group that specific user is a member of, let's create a new HTTP request with name getMemberGroup. Use the URL https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/directory-object/user-id/getMemberGroups. In this example, we shall find the groups for user Alexander, replacing user ID with the actual user ID. In the header, include content type with application JSON along with authorization barrier token. Need help generating access token? Watch the video titled How to Generate Access Token in Azure Entra ID using the Graph API for a comprehensive walkthrough linked below in the video description. Navigate to request body and under row include security enabled only false. This setting ensures that all the type of group return. If you set security enabled to true, it return only security group. Click the send button to execute the request. This action will return list of groups to which Alexander is member, including customer champion, finance team and group 1. We explore managing groups in Microsoft Entra ID using the Graph API. We covered key operations like creating, listing, updating, deleting groups, along with managing members and owners. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and leave a comment. Stay tuned for more tutorials.